Is that actually recording now?
Yeah. Alright, guys, we're playing Counter-Strike. Who wants to be the terrorist?
Us?
No, we don't.
I wanted to be the terrorist.
No.
Yeah, we do.
Trust me, no. It's
So much easier being a terrorist.
Damn it.
Counter-terrorist. Find the outhouse, please.
We'll take out a whole round.
Okay, find the outhouse. No bans.
We are the terrorists or that counter?
Thank you. We're the terrorists. No using grenades.
Prepare to be frightened.
Iron Man stand behind me, no man standing on the wall behind me. Oh, fuck. Fucked it up. What?
I'm gonna go
Fire, guys. Ceasefire, please. Push it off, terrorist. Over here.
You gotta put that in the video.
It's on YouTube. It's going on YouTube.
You like how fast that was?
No.
No.
You just want to be on YouTube?
Let's make it 7. So you're gonna hold bomb for 7 minutes.
What's up, tits?
Hold it, don't touch it. Just defend it, okay? Any questions?
I don't even know how to play this.
You're not playing it.
I know, but I don't know how.
Oh.
I don't know the rules.
Whoa.
You're badass.
I'm cool.
He's like, I'm cool.
3 respawns, okay?
How's my angle, Halo?
Alright, everybody watch the suicide hour.
Lower?
Easy.
Hey guys, 3 respawns.
3 respawns?
Yes, Trace respawn. Trace respawn.
How many do they have?
I don't fucking know.
He said one. No, he said
I
one.
don't know. He just told me to tell you guys 3 respawns.
No, he said one. Wait.
He said it doesn't affect you.
It doesn't. It's just annoying.
Alright guys, I'm leaving you for A1
Dude,
right
that's
now.
Wait, do they know where the bomb is?
Dude, I do not know. I never played it.
He just wants to be on YouTube. Freaking Bumblebee.
How's everybody fucking looking at me? Wait, what's this? Motherfuckers looking at me. Full auto. Now what?
Isn't this sexy? You have to admit this thing is pretty sexy.
I do not feel safe around here with that thing. You're gonna shoot me.
I've never shot you, ever. If you ever think about it, I've never shot you with it. Ever with any
Yeah.
gun. Do you want me to shoot you with it?
No.
Okay.
Beaver, I'll give you $20 to shoot it. 100. I just got $500 tonight. I'll pay you 500. Would you shoot him for $500?
Yeah, yes I would.
Thanks.
Hey, it's 500. Are you kidding me? We shoot each other every day for
Look,
$25.
Look, a little bit of pain versus $500. I can see that.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna shoot him. No, just trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me, Beaver. If you know, I was gonna shoot you in like something plastic. Exactly. You give me $10 if I shoot him in his arm.
Think about it. You want to know something?
What?
I was gonna wait for one of you two to actually shoot each other, so I could be like, yeah, it's in the bank, right? So I wouldn't be able to pay you. That would just be like a free show. Yeah,
Our severity
over here.
You bitch.
I'm doing your descent with my awesome.
Thank you. Ow. Oh, that's your. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you.
Don't put your arm behind
I
me.
know, probably.
One, go! That Asian voice. Ow, my knees hurt like a bitch. Yeah, Beaver. Oh yeah, harder.
Oh, yeah, harder. Harder. Oh, yeah, harder. Harder. You guys are meat peeled.
Dude, my fucking arms are killing me right now.
Oh, yeah.
I want to move up. Red light.
Woo! Oh, he's behind that short barrel wall. Thank you!
Thank you.
Come on, Ben.
Whoa.
General quarters.
General's quarters. General's quarters.
Ow, these ricochets hurt.
Dude, what do you mean general's quarters?
Very end. Very right side.
Oh, okay.
Right near their spot. That's who's nailing them. Ow, these ricochets.
Thank God you're taking them for me.
These ricochets actually hurt. Oh, yeah, hold up.
All right, I'm just gonna wing it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh God, I'm sorry. Yo. What? I did. I shot you guys. I'm not on your team. Bang, bang. Ow. Ow. Fuck you. Fuck it, I swear to God. I banged the kid and he shot me. Oh my God.
Five!
Yeah.
Fuck yeah!
Woo! Try that. Come on. All right. Same team, same team. What are you shooting at me for? Where are they? Are there any POW? Where is he? Where is he? Where? Bang, bang.
Said it first, man. You have to
Me?
say it twice. Yeah.
Wait around,
You have to say it twice. You have to say bang bang.
I said bang.
You said bang once.
A double out. All right, double out. All right.
Alright, bang! Now you're dead. Bang!
Fuck. I don't know what the hell happened there, baby. Okay, so listen, all right? I banged him. He's like, yo, you have to aim at me. I was aiming direct at him.
Well, we got that video.
Whatever, yeah.
I banged him anyway, so... I don't even know why I followed you back. I wasn't even out.
So I have one death. Where do you want to go? Let's go POW.
Alright.
Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck, hold up. Got it.
Harder.
Got it.
Harder.
Thank the fucking Lord, I swear to God, I shot the guy 7 times. You see a guy? Or are you just shooting?
He was over there.
Okay.
Let's go take POW. Fuck it. Fuck it, we'll
Bang, 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 bang.
I'm friendly.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Did you just spray down here?
No.
Oh, shit. No, somebody just sat down here.
Bang! Yo!
Bang, 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 bang.
Chill! Double out. Alright, I said bang at the same time. Double out. I was looking at
You too, you fucking serious?
You have to be
Holy shit! Oh my god! Alright?
Let's go, fuck it. Let's go. Let's go.
Swear to God.
Please, fuck this.
Oh my god! Run, Beaver, run! Do it! Do it for America!
YOLO! We're Osama! Alright, let's go. Let's go. YOLO.
Oh, damn it! Game over! Game over! Game over!